Season's greetings, everyone. It's Chris here with a special festive episode of Outer Space. So as you can see, we got our Christmas decorations up. We got our Kamen Rider Sentai tree up, reminiscent of the one that we saw at Toei Hero World a few years ago. So we got some of the little Kamen Rider masks, got some lock seeds, got some Sofubis, there's a car, there's some wizard rings up at the top, and we got the big guy dressed as Santa, reminiscent of the Go On episode where Go On Red dresses up like Santa to fight the villain. That's pretty cool. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals, and Happy New Year. So our present to you is some footage of us playing Kamen Rider Narerunda when we were in Japan. What is Kamen Rider Narerunda? It is an interactive video game using a kinect engine from an Xbox. So it turns you into a Kamen Rider and puts you in the game. Just like the TV show, it is made just for kids, but hey, we're all adults here being fascinated by kids shows. So without further ado, Merry Christmas, and here we go. Narerunda! What's up everyone, Chris here, out of space in Japan. Today's episode we're going to be playing Narerunda, Kamen Rider Narerunda. You pick your main rider that you're going to have the powers of, and then you're going to fight hordes of enemies. At that point, after you defeat a few, you transform into Kamen Rider and then finish it all off with a Hisatsu Waza trying to take them all down. Now, let's get into it. Yeah! So first thing, you select which rider you're going to play as. We'll play Build for this one. We'll play as Banjo. Oh, my knees are killing me. Remember, no smocks, no dress, no like raincoats, otherwise they'll interfere with the sensor. All right, let's go. All right, some more are coming. Let's go. Get in there. Yosha! You can kick like it's It's a tiring game when you're this tall. Now you get a photo with your senpai. So you can choose which photo you want. I get one with myself, what the fuck? I'm gonna go with this one because this one looks good. Hope you enjoyed me playing Narerunda. Made a fool of myself, but I had fun doing it. If you ever get the chance in Japan, I highly recommend playing it. Such a fun game. Hope to see you next time. Catch you later. Bye! See, wasn't that fun? And also right here, there's a sticker for it. Now, remember, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, like and subscribe or follow, whatever you need to do, just do it. Please, 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 please. Subscribe. Season's greetings to you all from me and Director-san and Big Red over here. We hope to catch you in the next video. We'll see you next year.